Changing the email link to your Capital One account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Capital One website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select email preferences. Look for an option labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this option to proceed to the email update section. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure the email is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. After completing these steps, your email link to your Capital One account should be successfully updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Capital One customer support for assistance.